Have you gone to a grocery shop recently? If so, do you remember what are the items you purchased together? Bread with butter, wheat with rice, and tea with sugar? If so, is there any AA behind this shopping? That is what we discuss today in Truly AI episode. I am Dr. CB Abraham. Welcome each one of you to the channel where we make artificial intelligence simple, real, and relatable. Let us go for a shopping spree. I am in the grocery shop now. Let us see what is going on over there. Different customers are coming and buying items. Okay, bread, butter, and jam. Oh, there is no butter at home. Oh, jam also required. Okay, it's good. Bread, butter, jam. I think this is good. Bread, butter is needed. Sugar. We have seen what happened in the case of the grocery shop. There were 100 customers, so 100 baskets. Let us see how AI uses this shopping of data. Total number of baskets is equal to 100. Then suppose the number of baskets with bread equal to say 73. The number of baskets with butter equal to say 65, and the number of baskets with both bread and butter equal to say 54. Then we uses this data. That means the number of bread 73, number of baskets with butter 65, number of baskets with bread and butter 54. This data we use for further processing. In the market basket analysis, basically we use three different metrics. First one is called the support. The support of bread is equal to the number of baskets with bread divided by total number of baskets. Therefore, this is 0.73 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.73. That means 73% of the total baskets contained the bread. That means bread is a fast moving item in that shop. Similarly, support for butter is equal to, we have seen around 65 is the total number of baskets with bread. The total is 100, therefore 0.65 is the support of the butter. Then second measure is called the confidence. This involves two items. What is the confidence of bread influencing the purchase of butter? This is defined as the total number of baskets with bread plus butter divided by the total number of baskets with bread. Therefore, this is equal to 0.54 divided by 0.73, that is comes to be around 0.74. Therefore, 0.74 or 75% is the confidence. Third is the lift. Lift uses this confidence and support. The confidence of bread influencing butter divided by the support of butter. that is equal to 0.74 divided by 0.65, that comes to be around 1.12 approximately. Therefore, we have three different measures. First is the support. Support of the bread is 73. Support of the butter is 65%. Then confidence is come to be around 0.74 and lift is around 1.12. Therefore, basically this information conveys that bread is the fast moving, very popular item in the grocery shop, and since the confidence of bread in butter is almost 74, that means people buying bread will most probably end up buying butter also. Third, lift. The lift value provides 1.12. That means people buying bread ending up buying butter is not just a coincidence or just an accident. In fact, it is a pattern. Therefore, it is better to have this type of bread and butter kept together in the grocery shop. People will be tending to buy that. We are on the play mode. We use an application called Orange in order to demonstrate this market basket analysis. Here we have the different widgets, and we use the first file widget, and we double click on this, and it is we select the symbol groceries data set. Now we use the data table and see what is the data we use over here. When we press it, we will be able to see 6 columns, each of the column corresponding to the items available in different baskets. We have bread, butter, jam, milk, sugar, tea are the 6 different items available in 100 different baskets. Look at the first row. It conveys the values of bread, butter and jam to be 1, milk, sugar, tea to be 0. This says that the first basket contains bread, butter and jam. The second row corresponding to 0, butter 1, jam 1. That means second basket contains only the butter and jam. The third basket contains bread, butter and jam, and similarly the last basket contains again bread and butter and finally sugar. Therefore, this is the data we have. The machine wants the data in numeric form, and that is the reason why we use this type of numeric representation of the content of the basket. Now we look at the select columns. Then we try to connect this file widget with the select columns, and when we double click, we could see that these items, bread, butter, jam, milk, sugar and tea, the different items have been selected, and this is what we will be using in the subsequent operations. Then now we use the widget discretize, and we connect the select columns with discretize, and suppose we select the natural building to be 2, the standard parameter settings, and now we try to have the association rule to see how the different data items within the baskets are associated one another. We double click on this association rule. Yes, we don't see anything on the screen. Here on the left side, we can adjust the support values. Suppose we take the support value to be say 20. We can adjust the minimum confidence values as well. Suppose we choose the minimum confidence values to be 30, and suppose we click on the find rules, we will be able to get such a result. Look at the first column. This is corresponding to support, which we discussed. Second, corresponding to the confidence and some more items. And the fifth one, we have the lift. And also we have antecedent and the consequent. Antecedent is the item we purchase initially, and consequent is the impact of that, whether some other items are tend to purchase together. Look at the first row over here. This means that support is 0.2, confidence is 0.83, and lift value is 1.7. That means there is a very strong association between the items over there, and this says that T is available. Suppose we want to make it much more impactful, let us focus on the bread as the antecedent. And if you look at the antecedent column, we could be able to see that bread is available everywhere. Bread is available everywhere. And look at the first row, support is 0.33, confidence is 0.536, and lift value 1.19, and bread is equal to 1, and the consequent is butter is equal to 1. That means along with the bread, butter is also getting purchased, and the lift value is 1.19, means it is not just a random, it is not just accidental, it is because of the pattern between the bread and the butter. Along with this, we have bread and many items are there, and we want to see along with bread how the butter is getting purchased. We write butter over here, then find the new association rules, and in this case we could be able to see that everywhere the antecedent is bread and the consequent is butter. Therefore, in all these cases we could see that along with bread, butter also getting purchased. And if you look at the lift value, the fifth column, we could see that almost everywhere the lift value is above 1. That means this purchase of bread along with butter is not just accidental, it is because of a strong association between bread and butter. In this way, we could be able to see what the basket provides, and that information could be able to be used further for the AI in order to understand the association between the different items purchased together. When you bought a blue jeans last time, did you end up buying a white t-shirt? Maybe it is an application of association rule. Similar market basket magic could be able to be seen in different walks of life. When you go to a shopping mall, you must have seen many items kept together. The discount policies, coupon policies, etc. are based on association rules and market basket analysis. When you buy something electronically, or when we see a movie in OTT platform, you must have seen the people who purchased these items also purchased, or people who watched this movie also watched this type of messages. These are direct outcome of market basket analysis and association rule. Similarly, we could be able to see many such instances of market basket magic and association rules in different walks of life. My basket contains simple day-to-day items like bread, butter, sugar, tea, etc. But this also contains huge amounts of data. When we shop, watch, or stream, we leave a lot of digital footprints. AI gathers all these footprints and give an information about what type of person we are, what type of life we live, and what we think, and correspondingly it provides a mirror to us. The mirror showing many things which we ourselves may not be known, many things which we are not aware of, many things which we would like to know so that we could be able to have a better understanding of ourselves. Because every algorithm provides little more about us Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, truly AI.